In this video, I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough of Tinder Swipe Night Killer Weekend Episode 2. What's going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Before it starts, make sure you pound that like button. I'm your go-to source for hilarious, entertaining, and helpful Tinder videos, so if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through Episode 2 of Tinder's second installment of their Swipe Night series. If you guys haven't checked out my walkthrough for Part 1 yet and you wanna get caught up, I'll put a link to it right up here and down in the description of this video. Tinder Swipe Night is an interactive game within the Tinder app where you'll be asked to make choices, and those decisions will impact the way that the game plays out for you. What makes this really interesting is that people on Tinder will be able to see the choices that you've made within the game when they're swiping on you. So obviously make sure you have fun with it, but remember to swipe strategically. With that said, let's get into the video. So to access Tinder Swipe Night, you basically go to the Explore page on Tinder. You'll see Swipe Night is here, and we'll just click Play Now to start the game. All right, so your first choices are final. Let's go.
Who did this? Tex, aren't you like pre-med? Do something!
Like what? You can't exactly bring somebody back to life!
Okay, like maybe don't touch the dick body. He's not body, bitch! Okay, stop screaming, I can't think! What the hell are we gonna do?
We're gonna pull the knife out.
Jesus Christ!
It's a chef's knife.
Holy shit, I can't be here anymore. I can't
Okay,
be
everybody
here.
outside! Now!
Wow.
Wait, we should call the cops!
Shit! There's no service or Wi-Fi. We can't call anybody.
So we're stranded here with no Uber. Tell me now! Wait! Francisco!
Don't ask for it.
Wait, where's Francisco's car? Wait, where's Francisco?
Fire in the
No.
kitchen. You must have started it and then left.
What? He didn't do that! I mean, what if Francisco was killed too?
So Francisco's gone. Benji's dead. There's no power. Someone started a freaking fire.
Oh my
Why
God.
would somebody do this?
Yeah, Tex, why? Okay, everyone stop freaking out! We gotta get the power back on now!
I'm not going back in there.
Oh my god, it's gonna freaking kill!
Oh my God.
Turn the power back on so we have Wi-Fi. Is that all right with you?
Oh, well...
Yeah, good call.
Alright! I'm gonna find Francisco.
Wait! I'm not letting you go alone!
Okay.
A lot of people were commenting
Francisco.
Francisco is pretty sus too.
What you doing?
Wait! Guys! Wait, we're seriously splitting up? Have you guys ever seen any movie ever? What do you want to do? Come on!
Choose wisely.
It's creepy out here.
Let's find Francisco.
Francisco!
Oh shit.
Seems I'm telling you, he'd bounce.
Well, he wouldn't just ditch me here.
Wait, do you even like him, or are you just kind of using him to make Benji jealous? You know what I mean?
Otis, are you asking me to prove that I love my boyfriend right now?
No. It's just that I really think that you deserve to be with somebody who sees how amazing you are.
Otis!
Wow, buddy's
stop.
wheeling.
I'll just find Francisco myself.
Maybe not the time to shoot your shot, eh? We're gonna mute her. Unfollow is a little harsh, you know?
The Wi-Fi's back. I have like 500 notifications. My followers need me. 2618. Ooh, my friend matched with you on Tinder and wants to know if you're cool. Wait, is this your profile?
Oh wow, exposed.
Oh, that's cute. I try working on the bio though. Try looking for a partner in crime or something.
Okay. Love the profile review.
Do you think Reese is gonna be okay? I mean, coyotes are just like mean dogs, right? Dogs are cute. So I think, yeah, she'll be okay. What? Who's texting you?
Whoa. We're gonna spill the tea. I like a little bit of drama here.
Look, Tex did know. He just pretended that he didn't. Isn't
Wow.
that so sad? Speaking of which, maybe Francisco is dead. I guess we should go find the others.
Oh shit. You know what? I'm gonna follow Ames.
Coming. Come on.
Ames looks like she's onto something, you know?
Hey. Wi-Fi's working. Calling the cops now.
Okay, great. Thanks. Got it. Have you seen this? Wait, are you not on Benji's close friends? Ouch. But wait, look.
My name is Ulrich, and I apologize for my session.
Brutal. Who else should we check?
Oh man. Whose story do you want to watch? Let's go with Francisco. Oh, look, he's got the knife. Oh my God. Whoa.
Crazy what people will post.
Francisco is definitely sus with that knife.
Shit. I should really go flush my weed. God, I can't believe this is happening.
Oh shit. What's going on out here? Should I protect myself with a shovel or an adorable cactus? Obviously the adorable cactus. What are we doing? Oh, we're checking out the car. Let's go, baby. Oh my, whoa. That does not look good. Shit. All right, my top suspect is gonna be Francisco. The guy went missing after the murder. He had the knife. I think it's definitely Francisco at this point. So come back next week for episode 3. Wow, episode 2 is an absolute doozy. So now it's giving me my top critical choices. I chose Francisco this week as my top suspect. The guy literally had the murder weapon on his story. He went missing right after the murder and he was in the house at the time that Benji got murked. I don't know about the motive, but it definitely seems like he had the means. So my critical choices were that I chose the cactus as a weapon instead of a shovel. I muted Phoebe instead of following her, and I pulled the knife out rather than throwing a drink at Phoebe, which honestly would have been very satisfying. So there you have it, guys. That was Tinder Swipe Night episode 2. When I posted my part 1 video, there were so many good fan theories about who the top suspect was. I wanna see what you guys think now that episode 2 is wrapped up down in the comments below. I definitely appreciate you guys watching the video. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video, and I'll see you for part 3 next week. Peace.